despite the fact that their quadruple dreams were dashed just about a week ago. The treble remains a reality for Masandawana, whilst Chiefs will have to content themselves with the best finish that they can muster. They are currently in 8th position at the moment, but they can climb above Cape Town City and into 7th place if they manage. Prepared to take on the responsibility. And now, Lucas Ribeiro goes tearing forward. Wonderful tackle from Givenim Simango. Not according to Abongile Tom. There's the red card, it's out. Oh no, he catches him.
Clearly, but the distance now, and the direction, and how far were the defenders? Did they have a chance to catch up? These are all the D's that you get to bring into consideration.
So the reason that they continue to argue here is because
being a penalty, but with a penalty it means he gets a yellow.
Alpas and Allende, Zwane and Williams have all been rested. Ribeiro. Oh, brilliant! That is absolutely sublime, and Tashreeq Matthews is on the score sheets again. And Kaizer Chiefs could only hold out a matter of 7 minutes or so after the interval before their resistance crumbled.
Top quality combinations to find themselves.
Gives up their other hand around it now.
Well, it's a clearance from Dennis Nyango to start with, and then Lodge with a cross initially and not properly cleared, not too far. But once the ball is worked into that wide area, oh, that pass for me. Who was it? Ribeiro?
Yeah.
As he cuts into the inside, he sees the opening. Oh, and Yusuf Mart should have at least checked the youngster alongside. He seems to fall asleep, and ball watch at the time, and Matthews.
Oh, he's read the challenge so well. Can he finish it off via the deflection? He does. And finally, Mateus Esquivel breaks his duck in the DStv Premiership. Oh, the run was absolutely exquisite, and Sundowns are cruising now.
Fantastic. I mean, it's a team that is taking full advantage of their numerical advantage. You can complain for all you like, but that kind of situation developing, Chiefs will be chasing shadows all the way, and shadows in their defensive half is what they have allowed Sundowns to do even a bit more in this half. How unfortunate for Vuma to be able to. Oh, that's a good run. That is a one. He weaved his way, difficult situation, and he just kept going and gets rewarded by this deflection from Kunika.
Well, he brushed off Castillo as if he wasn't there. The points really scuppered early on as Matthews is sent through, and Matthews makes absolutely no mistake to double up and put Mamelodi Sundowns 3-0 in front.
Listen, it's very simple for Mamelodi Sundowns. The decision-making to set that ball forward to a man that was onside and clear at the time.
And look at this. It's another fine finish from Matthews. Oh, he's well onside. A brilliant ball.
Now here's the question. Mark there, he's caught wrong-footed, wrong-sided. He was supposed to be inside. He's been doing well to cover a bit of the inside, because there was no one this time on the far side, that he needed to be even narrower. Those are the type of balls that is it? Oh, slight nudge into Shabalala's back, and he looked like he was in place to maybe just side-foot it. Maybe that's what.
Well, Sundowns' title-winning victory won't be blemish-free. Shabalala pulls one back from the spot after he was the man fouled. But it is still a dark day for an Amakosi side that have struggled to contain Mamelodi Sundowns, having been reduced to 10 early on.
Beautifully taken. There was real power behind the shot. Sent Dennis the wrong way for the most part, so his impact in attack was not visible.
It's Costa. Oh! He's staying in the hunt for the golden boot. What a shame it would be to not see them in the MTN8 next season. Oh, the punishment could get worse. He held his run beautifully, and Temba Nkosi-Loach gets Sundowns 5th.
That's why that whistle will spur Kaizer. Nobody's closing. It's just going through emotions right now, and that's an area that you need to press a little bit higher. It's too close to your own goal.
Imagine midway through the first half,